Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming which shell you use and why that matters. Different shells store history in different files. Once identified, make a quick backup of the history file so you can restore if needed. Then close other terminal sessions and editors that might rewrite history, because concurrent sessions will repopulate history unless you stop them first. Now you're ready to perform the first removal step safely and without losing recoverability. You will clear the in-memory history and force write the empty state to the file. Run history C then history W for bash. Once done, truncate or zero the file name that corresponds to your shell. For ZSH, use truncate S0 ~. ZSH history or the redirection operator for bash. If you need stronger disk level removal, use shred U on the file. Make sure you understand shred's file system limits and that it may not affect SSD wear level. You finish by closing all terminals and logging back in to confirm the history remains cleared. This prevents any lingering session from reappending entries. After reboot or relog, verify file size and peek at the end of the file to ensure emptiness. If commands reappear, check for other shells, terminal multiplexers, or .file sync services that may restore or merge histories, and make sure to disable or update those sources before repeating the step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.